Hello everybody! So it feels like I haven't recorded in forever because I guess I haven't. So my plan, a couple weeks ago, I had recorded and prepped and edited a bunch of videos so that I could release them over the next few weeks because I had a bit of a dip in my schedule for uploading because I have to go out of my house somewhere to go upload my videos because I can't upload at home. You guys know the situation. So I had pre-done all this stuff and then none of it would go up. None of it. I got my 2 podcasts up and that was it. That was all that would work. So what you're about to watch is my studio vlog from 2 weeks ago. I didn't upload a studio or didn't record a studio vlog last week because I was really focused on a personal project that I have going on right now that has a time constraint. So aside from doing orders last week, I solely focused on that, so there wasn't much to record, plus I wouldn't have gotten the video up because I had no way to upload last week. Come this week, it is Thursday already. I have been so busy with personal project, wrapping that up, it's finally done with, and the shop. So shop updates. This studio vlog, you'll see me design these stickers I'm about to show you, and I did an August bullet journal that I had prepped and planned to release on August 1st. It is no longer August 1st, but I will still upload it anyway. So I had, let me just pull everything that I've done since then, and then the rest of the studio vlog will essentially just be a rewind of what was going on in the studio 2 weeks ago. So, in this studio vlog, you will see me make these self-love healing crystal stickers, which I feature in my August bullet journal to promote them. Etsy shop, link in the bio if you are interested in these. My most popular item on the shop is my self-love stickers. These are essentially a volume 2, so there's these different colored healing crystals with positive messages on them. The other thing that got added to the shop is I did a fresh fruit sticker pack, an avocado, a lemon, and a peach. And I have matching greeting cards. That's what the lemon one looks like. They all look like this, where they're just multiplied across the card. I also finally got the sushi sticker set done, which I've been meaning to put up, but I got all of those with, again, matching cards. I don't know if I have any printed here. I do. I have all 3 printed here. So I have a birthday, a thinking of you, and a thank you card. And I also designed all of the packaging for Halloween in the fall. So this is the little freebie sticker that I'm putting in. It's a little candy corn. He's really cute. And then I got my Cricut to cut out little pumpkin confetti to throw in with each order. And then I also did up a pumpkin thank you card, which I just did myself. My normal ones are printed through Vistaprint, but in order to save a little bit of money, I decided to do these up myself. I also I've been really busy this past week, not being able to upload, therefore not recording anything. I got a lot of designing and a lot of stuff done, which was good. I also designed this just for you thank you card to send, because a lot of people send my items to other people as a gift and they leave a little message in my Etsy shop, so I just handwrite their little message and send this along instead of a thank you note because the person it's going to did not purchase the item. I also did all of my Christmas packaging. That's the little Christmas thank you. It's a little moose with like Christmas lights on him. It's really cute. I did Christmas tree confetti and a little penguin freebie sticker. So The other really exciting thing, so that's all the stuff that's released on the shop since the last, or like the studio vlog you're about to watch. I am going to be on a regular schedule come next week with all of the normal stuff I have in my studio vlog, designing stuff, and mostly the next few weeks it's all going to be Halloween, fall, Christmas mode, which I know seems a little crazy because it's August, but it needs to be done now. The other really exciting thing that I did this week, let me just pull some samples, that is going live on the shop today when you see this, is my self-love keychains here. So they come on a little jump ring, and I made these with shrink plastic. Printed this is the most popular of the sticker pack, just a self-love with a little sunflower, and then I coated it in resin so that they're really shiny and sealed in so they won't get scratched up. And then I also did a smaller version, and it is a little charm, so you could attach this to a Switch or a cell phone. So there's the size comparison. Those are going up on the Etsy shop today. I'm just doing a very small quantity because I want to see how they sell. They're a little pricey to make and very time consuming because I make all of them myself. So I'm just going to see how those go, and then once they sell out, I'll do a bigger restock. So if you don't get your hands on them, they will be back. Again, links are in the Etsy shop. I think I'm like out of breath now. There was like a lot of stuff. I think I covered everything, hopefully. So enjoy the studio vlog. So I was really excited because my thank you cards, the redesign that I did in the last studio vlog, came in this week from Vistaprint. I had also placed an order with Catnip Studios, which is my absolute favorite Etsy shop. I love her YouTube channel and everything, and one of her Patreons. I take a lot of inspiration from her and how she runs her shop. And so I had ordered an art print and a mouse mat from her. The tissue paper is absolutely adorable. My print got a little bent in the mail, which I was kind of sad about, but I put it under some heavy books to flatten it out, and it's just the Space Buns girl. I like wearing my hair in space buns, and I just think that she's so adorable, and the print's such good quality. And then I needed a mouse mat I got a mouse for my laptop for when I'm doing editing and everything, just to make things a little easier than using the trackpad. So I got the sorting hat mouse mat, which is absolutely adorable, and I love it. It's a lot thicker, thicker and better quality than I was expecting. My thank you card in there got absolutely destroyed, which I was sad about because the illustration's adorable. Again, I just put it under some heavy books. Hello everybody, and today is Thursday. So on Tuesday and Wednesday I was just working on personal projects that I have going on that kind of have a deadline, so I'm working on those while also trying to do shop stuff. So this morning I packaged another order. I'll insert footage of that. And then I did a TikTok and I drew a map. I'll show you on the vlog since I know not everybody has all the social media platforms to view everything. So I took a photo image of a map and colored in, hopefully that focuses, all of the places that my orders have shipped to, which is pretty cool. It was really awesome to see an actual visual representation of where everything's gone. My hair is a complete mess right now. I need to fix it and put some makeup on and whatnot, but I just wanted to hop on here to talk for a little bit. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna be really busy recording a bunch of stuff today and working on TikToks and everything. So it is a busy day today, and same with tomorrow. So I will take you along for my day.